Really is a feel-good football match.
걱정.
My name's Peter Drury, and here's my
이것은
co-commentator for the
왜
game. It's Jim Beglin.
Well, thanks for that, Peter. I'm more than ready to get going here.
Well, it looks like a big game, sounds like a big game. Everyone involved is absolutely up for it.
And the shot!
동아인의 보드가
He scored! And the game springs instantly to life. And it looks like we're going to get the entertainment we were all hoping for.
Truly superb. A goal of such supreme quality, composure and class.
It was wonderful vision to see the movement ahead. And how about the weight of that pass? Ideal.
Elche make the perfect start.
Real chance! Goal!
잠깐만.
That is remarkable! All square in a matter of moments.
Well, if ever you want to see a lesson in responding to a deficit, that's it. Their heads didn't drop, and now their chins are up.
So smooth. A signature finish.
What about the pass, Peter? It was
Nisa
played so intelligently, and he picked out the perfect target.
Barcelona grab the equaliser, and we're all square.
You've got to commend that, Peter. It's the perfect response to falling behind. Don't let your heads drop. Just get back up the pitch and level the scores again. This is cracking stuff.
And this is Kane. He's Kane! Goal!
네.
Barcelona!
앞에 있어 잡아가봐.
It was coming.
앞뒤에서 헤드 한 건초 현에
Forward.
앞뒤에서 좌전 원비거든. 도미드가
They
뭘
forced the error and extracted
beis하고
the
미.
maximum punishment.
Welcome to the reality of modern football, Peter. You get pressed from the front and you have no time on the ball whatsoever. You can't afford to switch off for a moment.
And yes, it's
Over
him
all
again.
50 60 ဒီweer hou je maar. Bal tegen zat die rela aan die tek zijn.
Barcelona take the lead.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Now it's Kane. Aims beyond the defence.
그래서 명타 것도 그만하네.
Still very early doors, but it is a closely contested affair. And here's Messi. Here's a chance!
시대에 고수 뒤로는. 미.
Akanji. It's run loose. Who's going to get... And a chance! It's Luke. In he goes again. Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that.
And we have our very first corner. And he's there to clear it. And it's Fernandez. Oh, that's ambitious. Valera. Rodriguez. And that's put paid to a promising move. Now it's Messi. And Messi! Valera.
This is the time you need that pace.
And that is as far as they're going to go. Barcelona looking forward to the break after some very good work in the first 45 minutes. Rafa Mir. He's played it back.
Just too much pressure. Had to go that way.
Mikel Oyarzabal. And Akanji. Camavinga, who does have an assist to his name. That's good running with the ball. Now it's Kane. And this is Messi. Applies the finish!
2 added minutes has been indicated.
Second reaction.
Well, someone's doing his job properly, Peter, that's for sure.
And there's the end of the first half. Well, what a comeback. Certainly I didn't see that coming, nor I think did many in this crowd. So there was the first half.
Oh, what a half. It's been pulsating
was
and
the first
totally
half.
absorbing. We're actually
believe
headed
the
for
boys
a
can turn it
potential
around.
classic if this
Of course
carries
they
on.
will.
This is insanely good.
Barcelona head into the half-time break with a narrow lead, 2-1. And takes a shot!
Rapaz,
Oh, that is rather
não.
wayward.
Well, you can only praise the keeper for standing up to his opponent like that.
Substitutions. Oh. Substitutions, yeah. Ahora substitutions, yeah, no puedo extremo.
He's going to be disappointed with that. Messi. Valverde. Threads one in. Messi! And the ball's come loose here. Valera is herring after that one. Valverde. And back to the keeper they go. Son Heung-min. And it's Alexander-Arnold. 60 minutes played. Now it's Kane. Oh, that's a key interception. So what can they make of this? And it's Valverde. Fernandez. Valera. It's gone out for a throw-in. He is through here. Now it's Mir. Well, they're certainly pressing with purpose here. And here's the chance to counter. Mikel Oyarzabal. And it's Kane. Looking to play him in. Oh, that's a fine interception.
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Tries to get it clear. 75 minutes played. Gets a good foot in there. And here's Kane. And here's Messi. Has a shot! Oh, screamer! A finish right from the top draw. And that takes him up to 30.
Så till Messi går så till November.
Oh, one moment you're in possession.
Yes,
the
I'm
next you're
trying to,
picking the ball out of your own
Oh.
net. That one will stick.
Nunca lo sé.
Well, a little more decisiveness on the ball and that probably wouldn't have happened.
Barcelona take a 2-goal lead and are looking good for the win.
Well, that's pretty much sealed it now. And surely, Peter, we're not going to see any complacency after that.
He's got away. Shot could be on. Chance!
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
Great vision. Well read, nice interception. Can he get it through? Now it's Kane. Alexander-Arnold. Camavinga looking to penetrate opposition lines. Now it's Messi. Goes for
2
goal!
added minutes has been indicated.
He's got away with one there. So that's it. It is all
That's
over.
okay.
So the winners bullish and belligerent after a remarkable
Merci,
collective effort.
Barcelona.
Fall behind they may have done, but they were having none of that. Kane picking up the Man of the
And now
Match
I'd like
award,
to take a
and
quick
no
moment of your
surprise
time
there.
to thank you all for your support today.
Terrific recovery, a